be honest, selling high ticket or what I call premium value offers can feel awkward, especially on video. You don't want to sound pushy, robotic, or like you're reading the script. But here's the truth. Video is actually the best way to sell premium value when you do it right. And in this video here, I'm going to show you first why traditional sales tactics do not work on video. Secondly, how to use video to attract and enroll premium clients. And thirdly, my 3-part framework to sell with confidence without feeling salesy or fake. Hey, I'm Chris Harrell, the marketing superman, out feeling awkward on camera through my rapid success system. So let's dive into this. Now, most coaches, they try to sell the way they were taught. Pressure-filled sales scripts, sound familiar? How about overhyped promises, right? Selling the word, telling people you're gonna give them the word. Or how about this, one-on-one calls that go nowhere. Can you relate? And when they try to bring that into video, it just feels off. Something feels awkward, right? But here's the deal. High-ticket clients are not looking for a salesperson. They're looking for a leader they can trust. And video done right is the fastest way to build trust at scale. So let's talk about the 3 mistakes coaches make when selling high-ticket or premium value on video. All right, mistake number 1, talking features, not outcome. So first crucial mistake is talking features and not outcomes. It's so important not to talk features. Why is that so important, Chris? Glad you asked. No one buys a 12-week module. They buy transformation. So speak to the result, not your curriculum. Mistake number 2 is not addressing objections. So basically, you are ignoring objections, right? You're ignoring objections. See, if you don't answer their doubts on video, they'll never take the next step. So talk about the fears they're actually thinking, what's going on in their mind, even if they never say it out loud, because it's going on in their mind and their mind controls everything they do. And mistake number 3 is delivering fluff. So mistake number 3 is delivering fluff. Again, these are the mistakes, okay? These are the mistakes, the 3 mistakes. See, when your video is all hype train and no substance, it actually feels fake. So lead with value even before they actually pay you. So here's the shift you need to make. Go from selling to serving. Go from convincing to positioning. And go from scripts to strategy. See, your video should feel like a conversation, not a pitch. See, a client recently told me, I didn't feel like you sold me. I just trusted you. That, my friend, is the goal. That's what you want to strive after. Because when you show up with real solutions and a real heart to help, people, they lean in more. People, they watch you longer and they will reach out to you for help. So, matter of fact, let me do something really cool for you right now. Let me break down the exact 3-part video framework that I actually teach my clients inside the Rapid Success System. Would that be cool? I'm gonna teach it to you right now, but let me change colors real quick. All right, so let me flip the page here. Now, here's my 3-part framework, okay? Step 1, my friend, is authority-based content. All right, so let's say authority-based, I'm gonna put authority content, all right? But authority-based content, very important there. So here what we want to do, my friend, is you want to educate, inspire, or shift their beliefs without selling anything. You don't have to sell anything right here. In other words, you want to educate. Let me change colors here. Hold on a second. Let's educate. Let's educate, okay? All right, to shift beliefs, okay? So education is a powerful tool to shift beliefs. So focus on one problem that they're struggling with and one insight they have not heard before. Let me give you an example. One of my clients, Frederick, he used just these authority style videos to address a common objection, and this brought in for him 3 brand new clients. All right, step 2. Step 2. Value driven invites, or invitations. Here, you want to have value-driven invites or value-driven invitations. So in other words, you can have a lead magnet, right? Have a lead magnet leading someone to a masterclass, right? Now, how does this work? Well, your lead magnet is what's going to give you a lot of value, okay? And it's going to also build a lot of trust for you. And now that you build that trust, invite them to take the obvious next step. Free masterclass, strategy call, lead magnet, etc., something like that, right? And the tone is this. It's not hype. You're not making a bunch of noise. You actually are helping. It's like you being you're showing up as an expert, right? You're showing up as a specialist, right? Because you're not making a bunch of noise to get attention. One of my mentors said this. He said the best way, Frank Kern said, he said, the best way you can demonstrate you can help someone is actually by helping someone, right? It's not making a bunch of noise, trying to have the best promotions on the planet. It's just showing up and helping someone. So make it feel more like a natural next move, right? Like the obvious next step you should be taking in order to get this result you're after, not a sales pitch. In fact, one of my clients, Shalandia, she used a 60-second reel to lead people to a free training, and that video alone led her to 3 calls, and she closed one of them. We made quite a bit of money off that one client. All right, now that leads us to step 3. And step 3 is our transformation, transformation, hope you can see that, based offer video. Okay, this is our transformation-based offer video. In other words, I'm going to put this box here. I'm going to put the words PMO, the letters PMO. This is your premium PVO. PVO, your premium value offer. Because this is your premium value offer. In other words, your premium value offer, this is a V, premium value offer. This is where you clearly explain your offer, right? Through the lens of the outcomes. It's very important that you explain this through the lens of the outcomes, the actual results that your audience is going to get. So, in other words, instead of saying like, hey, you're going to get 12 weeks of coaching, say, we help you land your next 5 premium clients in 90 days. So speak to the before and the after. And also show them what changes, what's going to change when they work with you. Let them, it's like future pacing. We call this future pacing. Let them see a new future by making the decision to work with you. That's what I do with all my clients, right? And potential clients. They can see a new future before they even say yes, because they know if you work with me inside my rep success system, the outcomes you've been desiring and seeking are realistic or achievable. And it's a high probability it will happen if you follow the system. So why is this so important? Listen, I personally use this strategy in my challenges and webinars and masterclasses and virtual events and boot camps. And it's helped me consistently enroll premium value clients without the need of sales calls. All right, very important. So let's do a quick recap. All right. High ticket or premium value video sales is about building trust, not about pitching. It shifts you from convincing to positioning. And that is so important. You are positioned as an authority. And use the 3-part framework: authority content, value-driven invitations, and transformation-based offer videos. All right, very powerful. If you use this 1-minute video selling formula, it would change the game for you. And look, I wasn't always confident on camera either. The person you see today now wasn't the same person a few years ago. In fact, if you go on my YouTube channel, look at my videos from 2013, 2014. They look like trash compared to today. See, I used to overthink every line, try to sound just perfect, or try to sound dignified and professional. And honestly, I was stiff as a darn telephone pole, right? It was bad. So, but once I let go of perfection, perfectionitis is one of your greatest enemies. And I leaned into my personality. And I focused on service over selling. SOS, service over selling. That's when everything changed. See, I stopped actually chasing leads and I started attracting aligned clients, right? So if what I share with you resonate with you and you want to start creating videos that attract, engage, and enroll premium clients, I've actually created a free training that breaks it down even further. Comment the word video below right now. Put the word video right now. We already see around this video, or click the link in the description and I will send you instant access to the actual free tutorial. Listen, it's time to stop feeling awkward and start showing up with confidence and clarity. So appreciate you watching this video. Hit like, subscribe, share this with others who also can benefit from hearing this as well, my friend. And remember this, put God first in all that you do, and you too shall succeed. Peace and God bless.